Hello guys, today we prepare another cured meat that we have in Italy, in the center of Italy. It's called coppiette di maiale, that literally translate is pork's couples, but I don't know why it's called in this way. You need 500 grams of pork loin, 150 ml of water, 13 grams of salt, half teaspoon of rosemary, half teaspoon of garlic, powder fresh, it's up to you, half teaspoon of paprika. After you will need the chili or the pepper, it's up to you, but you will see this in few days. Now we should take the meat and remove the fat and cut the meat in string like your small finger of the hand. And after you put in the mix directly in the jar, and the jar in the fridge. Every day you take the jar, you mix again very well the meat with the seasoning, and after you put in the fridge again for 3 days. So now I prepare all the ingredients after I cut the meat and I put in the fridge. See you in 3 days. After 3 days in the fridge, we can take our meat, we can remove from the liquid and put on the baking pot like this one. I will make half in one pot, half in another, because I will dress one with the chili pepper and one with the black pepper. We put under the sun, and tomorrow we turn our meat. So in 2 days will be dry enough, but we will see. If you do this in the winter, you can put on the heater. In the past years, when they make this in Italy, they put in front of the oven and they dry in few days. Or when they have the wooden oven, when they finish to bake the bread and the oven start to become cold, they put the meat inside. In this way they dry the meat. But now, I don't know if you have this opportunity, but under the sun, you are sure that the sun is strong enough to dry our meat. Okay, let's do it. Okay, with chili and with black pepper. Now we put under the sun. If can be that the flies or other insect can go on the meat, you can cover with a net. See you in 48 hours. Sorry, today I forgot to say that when it's night you should put the meat inside. If not outside, it's too much humid. After 12 hours that we have put the meat under the sun, we can turn and put the pepper and the chili on the other side. Naturally, tomorrow morning we put again under the sun. Okay, after 2 days and a half under the sun, and during the night I keep them in the fridge with the baking pot directly. You can put and keep in a jar like this one with something that closes the jar hermetically, because if not, if you put open in the fridge, they will be more dry and become like a stone. You can keep like this maybe 2 weeks, but when you start to taste it, you will finish in, I think, few days, maybe in few hours. Now I prepare everything. I open one of my own brew beer and I will test it for you. Very yummy. Let's try with the homebrew beer. Spectacular together, they are perfect. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. If you subscribe, you will receive all this information, all these recipes, especially the Italian ones, because many ask me to make Italian food so that they can make also in their country. If you have some requests, please let me know, write me down in the comments. Bye bye!